Okay, here we go with another battery tutorial. Med's workshop. I've been working on a nickel electroforming of battery plates. This is what I've done today. I electroformed a 5 by 10 inch plate with 8 dimples per inch, 1/8 of an inch wide, 1/16 of an inch deep to hold the positive medium. This took 1 hour and 45 minutes to electroplate this out of a clear green solution. Here's the back side. You can see all the dimples better, and even the substrate in between the dimples, the support ribs I've electroformed in there are porous as well. This whole thing's a screen, and my theory is I can put face to face together and trowel in the nickel hydrate in there with a nickel screen in between it, and on the outside I'm forming some nickel springs that I can form a spot weld to this and keep it all clamped together nice and tight. Being porous, you can see the sharp fluorescent light overhead through this, even through the ribs. Like I say, there's about 100 holes per dimple. I don't know how many holes on the ribs there are. There's probably not quite that many, but a good sufficient amount. My friends don't believe me that I'm growing this out of a clear green solution, these nickel parts. Also, I'm doing some nickel foil to make the nickel flake, to make a contact medium. I've been using carbon. I'm not getting real good results with it. And this is 2 10,000ths of an inch thick nickel foil, pure nickel foil. And what I've been doing is cutting it into strips and putting it in a pint jar that I took the blender head off of and put water in it and grind it up. I've tried it with air, but the air just causes a vortex and stuff, never touches the blade. But I run this for about 20 minutes, then I pour it through a sieve and wash it through the sieve, and then put the other pieces back in. It makes real good nickel flake, and the nickel flake is also porous as well. It has many holes per area in it, but that's what I've been doing lately. That's my project I've been working on. I ran out of nickel hydrate. I just got 9 pounds of nickel in. I revamped my vat, a nickel plating vat. I up my electrode size to 670 grams. I'm fixing to do another 670 gram electrodes. So when I nickel plate, I can grow something up to probably 3/32 of an inch thick in about 2.5 hours. And I'm going to be working on forming the plates, making bigger dimples, and I formed a couple tubes. I didn't have real good luck with them, but I got to do a different process on my non-adhesive substrate. But anyway, you guys keep doing and be cool. I got a video coming out about all this kind of stuff here soon. If anybody's interested, if not, that's cool too. But y'all have a good day and keep experimenting.